Hi everyone. Today we're going to study data and random variables. Let's begin with a definition of data and variable. We say that the basic idea of any statistical work is to analyze the data and get valuable information from them about the objectives. Now, we define data as data are the values, measurements, or observations that the variable can assume. Variable is a characteristic or attribute that can assume different values. For example, for the temperature 32 degrees Celsius, temperature here is considered a variable, and the value given to that variable is data. In this case, the number 32. Let's go now to classifications of variable. The first is qualitative variable. Any variable that suggests no numerical value is called qualitative variable. Example, colors of cars. This is a variable, and the data are white, black, red, blue, etc. Another example is gender, and we say that male and female. These are the data. Second classification is quantitative variable. Any variable that can be numerically measured is quantitative. Example, number of students in a class, number of teachers in a university, temperature. For these three examples of quantitative variable, the data are given in numbers. For the quantitative variable, there are two types. The first is discrete, and the second is continuous. For the discrete, these are integer values or countable values. Example, number of students in a class. For continuous, these are any values in an interval or rational numbers. As an example, heights of players in a basketball team. To summarize, we studied data, and for the data, there are two classifications, qualitative and quantitative. Under quantitative, there are two types, discrete and continuous. Let us now define random variable. A variable whose values are determined by chance or by the outcome of an experiment is called random variable. There are two types of this random variable. The first is discrete random variable. The happening of an event results in a numerical value which is countable, or if it takes the discrete values 0, 1, 2, and so on, is considered as discrete random variable. Example, number of messages received every day. Another example, number of accidents in a metro city in a week. The second type of random variable is continuous random variable. A random variable is said to be continuous if it takes rational values or any value in an interval. Example, blood pressure levels of patients in a hospital. Another example, voltage drop in a circuit. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.